Parents, can you imagine how challenging it is for a high school senior to choose that college of choice? The processing they have to go through, the applications, the recommendation letters, the scores, the GPA, it's quite confusing. Imagine that your child right now is about to graduate very soon, or perhaps they are a junior. This is why we created the BizNovator College Prep Coaching, so that we can guide them in a step-by-step process as to how they can choose the best college experience of choice. We teach them everything that has to do with the Common Apps, the recommendation letters that they need to secure, the community service hours they need to be part of. In addition to that, the internships they should participate in during the summer. The college prep coaching is a one-on-one session giving your child an edge in getting into that college of choice. We talk about financial aid, including scholarships they can tap into, and how to learn by visiting universities and exploring what their future will look like during those 4 years at an amazing university experience. We urge you to consider college prep coaching at BizNovator.